rocket's ready, come with me. Blast off high, zoom through space, flying fast in a cosmic race. Way up high in outer space, a chilly planet spins in place. But wait, it's rolling on its side. Come aboard and take a ride. Uranus big and blue, so bright, glows beneath the starlit night. It spins so different, round and round, like a sleepy ball on the ground. Its rings are faint, but they are there, circling fast through frozen air. The winds whoosh by so strong, so bold, blowing storms so wild and cold. Moons like Ariel, Miranda too, twirl around in sky so blue. Some are rocky, some are bright, dancing in the cosmic light. But now it's time to turn around, our rocket's heading homeward bound. Zooming past the stars so bright, back to Earth, what a flight! 3, 2, 1, touchdown, hooray! Let's explore again someday.
Like, share, subscribe, baby station.